Hello guys. Hope you guys can hear me. Hope we are live. We'll go straight to it for the charts. I'm having a lunch as well. While this is what I usually do not like to do while doing live stream. I hope everything is fine. Let me. Yeah. Yeah, this is 1 minute time frame. This is 5 minute, by the way. This is the 1 minute time frame chart on Bitcoin. 9:30 is up. New York stock market open, and yeah, we're overall bullish. This green line is up for the level of 4 hour time fair value gap, and this gray area is a daily fair value gap as well. We're trading above them. So on bigger picture time frame, 4 hour time frame, we have gone down, hold this 4 hour time frame fair value gap, daily low as well, tapped into this daily low as well, and be bullish to going toward upper side from here. Technically speaking, everything is more for like aligning that it should have to go toward upper side. Today it has gone down, knocked the yesterday low going toward upper side, and we have this daily high, yesterday high, very close all of those levels. 109,700. This is what it is on a bigger picture time frame. I am looking for the market to be knocked off like this area, 109,700 daily time frame. On 4 hour time frame, we are trading above this green line, gone down to this 4 hour time fairly gap, hold this area, bounce from here toward upper side, now trading upward level. From here, we are anticipating this previous 4 hour time frame high, that high, and we have those highs, and then we have daily highs. We're looking for the market to go toward upper side from from here, and we are obviously trading in above the daily fair value gap as well on charts. If you watch out on here, this is one hour time frame fair value gap market has created. This is also 1 hour time frame fair value gap as well. For bullish case scenario, we are anticipating this daily high, but it is not a mandatory that it really market has to be bullish toward upper side for these areas or to these daily high. In that case scenario, I'm looking for this high as well. This, for example, maybe market has to not to go all of those highs. So, and that, if not those highs, I will be aiming for this 1 hour time frame fairly gap for the to target on that at this range. We have seen quite bullish price action toward upper side. We can anticipate a local top at this range, and then pull back toward downside from here. We can anticipate that, and still at this range, holding this area, we'll be looking for further continuation toward upper side. This is the second possibility I'm thinking about right now. Or I'm really not really confident on this move from the market all the way toward upper side. The reason is I don't know, like this is not very ideal trading or very ideal price action move from the market toward upper side. Yes, it has gone toward upper side. So very slow, very choppy, very slow, very choppy, and all of a sudden gone up toward upper side. And I'm not really confident on, but the other thing is like everybody's bullish on charts right now at the moment because we're trading. Everybody knows this is a daily fair value gap. Everybody knows this is a 4 hour time fair value gap. Everybody know overall market is bullish. Everybody's know that we're trading up close to all-time high from here, very close to all-time high. Everybody's saying we're bullish, and smart money knew that. That's why they may send the price toward low levels from here as well today per second. Maybe it is possible that it could go toward upper side from this range, show rejection, and then come down. Maybe from here go down all the way toward low levels. This is also a possibility for the bearish case scenario. We cannot deny that may played out as well on a price action. For example, if it has to be bullish from here, this is the fair value gap. I would anticipate this green line on upward level of this daily fair value gap from here to be bullish, go toward upper side. Try it will be great if market, this is a 15-minute time frame fair value gap market has created. If it will be great from if market be bullish from here toward upper side, from this range toward upper side, it will be great. From here, market is going all the way toward upper side. The level we are trading, I don't know, this chart is very slow, man. From it will be great from here, this range, just tab into that. It is because I wanted to say aggressive bullish price action. Overall, like this is structure is bullish, so aggressively bullish for this area. It is possible, or maybe if come down, that is also possible. Or so the first possibility, this one I'm aiming for this high, short term time frame, these highs. Possible that maybe market come down, hold this area, then be bullish to this high, 1 hour time frame favorably gap, or it is also possible that we cannot deny this, that this is also possible that from here go down to the 50% of the range, hold this area, then be bullish, or maybe further from, just maybe this could be the top on a price action as well. From here, market continue to be bearish as well for 50% of the range, and because everyone is bullish, everyone is looking for the market to go toward upper side, and then market just go down from here, create any local top, maybe on 4 hour time frame. This is what I was watching, like this. Do you think this 4 hour time frame high could be the top on a price action? I'm more of like maybe possible, maybe not as well. We don't know. Depends on how this 4 hour time frame close, and which is what we are forming right now. Maybe this could be the top. Market may not go above this 4 hour time frame. From here, market is bearish, 50%. Then on bearish case scenario, we will look for upward level of this fairly gap, daily fairly gap, 50% of the range, this daily low, these levels we will be aiming for. Or just on a bigger picture time frame, if for example market is not aggressively bearish at this range, because this is a range we are trading inside right now. This is a quite a range above daily fairly gap, above daily favorable gap. This is a range market is trading right now. This is a value high point of control and value area of the range in there. So we can be, if for example market has to not to be aggressively bearish, like not to knock all-time high from here, if it has to not to do this, it's possible that we could remain inside this range for a couple of weeks as well. Maybe this week, at least maybe this week. Because the second thing aligns with this second is, the reason is we have no news on our charts, no news on this week, not no big news. And next week we'll have a CPI, PPI, quite bunch of news. So maybe in this week market remains sideways or prepared itself for the next week price action on the charts as well. This is also I'm leaning on it that may play it out. So first of all, we're looking for aggressive bullish price action from the market, and all-time high as well. Maybe at least this daily high, or maybe this high. Possible shorter term time frame. This is possible. This is value high. But at this range, I will be very careful on a charts to watch and observe the price action. If it's showing any intent to be aggressively bullish, or maybe show rejection or weakness on charts, then we will be looking for the lower levels on a price action. And the same thing I would have just explained to you. If it show rejection from there, could be going down further toward low levels, to the all the way to value area low of the range as well. This is also possible. We can not deny about that. So these are the probabilities and the possibilities right now we are looking for on a bigger picture time frame. On shorter term time frame, we go to we go on the charts, like if you go to, I don't know, this chart is thing, it's on, man. Yeah. So these are the possibilities and the probabilities. If you go just on a 4 hour time frame, this is also a range trading above this weekly fairly gap. This is also a range market is trading at, and this is the value area high of the ranges market is trading at. For the bullish case scenario, if market broke this level, it should not have to hang on into this range, spend some time in this range. It should have to be bullish and be bullish. Spending some time at this range to the value area half the range is more of a like a probability that we could anticipate a roll down toward the low levels from here. Major pullback toward downward side, we can anticipate that to the point of control and value low of the range. Or just on a bigger picture time frame, I'm explaining to you, may be possible as well. The way it is more like sideways, choppy, or we have seen that from charts. This is how it is. On a bigger picture time frame, we have explained everything. And I now really wanted to focus on 1 minute time frame charts, like how it is performing right now. So we'll go to more of like shorter term time frame as well, try to understand certain levels. 4 hour time frame, we have done our analysis. 1 hour time frame, we are looking for, because this has been bullish. This is 1 hour time frame fairly gap, daily fairly gap, 4 hour time fairly gap. From here, we are looking for this previous high to this 1 hour time frame fairly gap high, possible, because we are going toward upper side. Maybe not. This is possible. Bearish case scenario, maybe this could be the top, which is this one. Bearish case scenario, this could be the top. Everyone is bullish. This is a weekly high as well. Looking for the market to go toward upper side. They send the price. The smart money may send the price toward low levels from here. Then in that case scenario, what level it could go down or come up into. It is possible that it could go to up for the level of this daily fair value gap. Bearish case scenario maybe, but at this point it is difficult to jump into short at this point because overall we are looking for market to be bullish. And if you're confident enough that market is will be bearish from here, then you can go jump for a short at this range. But it is difficult because at this range we are already bullish, looking for market to go to the upper side, and those highs we are not confident on. You can say that if you're confident that yeah, market is really going down from here, it should have to go down to the 50% of the range, maybe create local top at this range and be very big. This is the top, then you can go for short. I'll be very careful at this because we are looking for bullish price action from this range from the market toward upper side. This is the thing. And yeah, this is the thing. The short term time frame, we're looking for all of those local highs to this pink area, which is 1 hour time frame fair value gap. And for bullish case scenario, maybe this could be the top. For the bearish case scenario, from here, this is a 15-minute time frame fair value gap. Let's see market not to go above this high, show rejection from the 15-minute time frame fair value gap, remain below, and be bearish for all of those lows to the 50% of the daily fair value gap as well. The way it has created this 1 minute time candle, it could be bullish from here. Let's see, because this has been a quite bullish, aggressive bullish candle from the market. Let's see if market continue to be remain bullish candles all the way, because I'm not confident on all of those local highs. I'm not at all confident on all of those highs. This is what it is I am looking for right now. And yeah, quite a bit of possibilities, quite a bit of probabilities that may played out right now. We don't know which way it could go. We're just watching and observing right now. So it's better to stay on 1 minute time frame chart right now. So look at this. Let's see if we try to hold this 15-minute time frame up for the level on the chart. This is a 15-minute time frame really gap. We'll go for this. Yeah, this is a 15-minute time frame fairly gap. So the weight has created this week, which is good, and we are about to close as well on 15-minute time frame. Can I buy? Can I do aggressive buy for all of those highs? You can buy. Stop loss will be yeah. My stop loss will be just below this candle. Initial stop loss will be there. I am looking for these highs, those highs, this area as well, this pink area as well. It should have to show no intent to come down. I'm keeping my stop loss tight, man. Should not have to not to go below this low. This high we are looking for. After that, we have looking for this high 109,200. We are looking for. My final take profit will be 109,200. I cannot buy on my own personal account. It's well, I think so. Well late. Well, yeah, well late. This is aggressive entry, aggressive trade for me, which is not usually I prefer to do. That's why I just do demo on a demo, not with the real money. Let me see 15-minute time frame. Yeah, 15-minute time frame it close bullish. It will be great. Yeah, you can be bullish, man. Yeah, market can should have to go to whatever side by the way. It should have to keep this fairly gap open now. Now I'm keeping my stop loss just in here. Now I'm keeping my stop loss just below this fair value gap, 1 minute time frame. If it should have to keep this fair value gap open, man. This candle I could bought on my real account, but yeah, keeping it more tight, man. Now my stop loss is there. Now my stop loss is oh, sorry, just below this red candle, and I'm looking to take profit, man. I have to take profit. I'm putting out five, taking five out. So yeah, we have taken five out, yeah. And I'll keep this position a little bit open. I'll look to take profit at this range. Most of them are take profit, but I'll look to keep this trade open a little bit, maybe one contract, or maybe for those highs, those daily highs, and then maybe it has to go to all-time high. Who knows? Who knows? Which is also possible. So yeah, at this range we take most of our profit. This has been, by the way, the good price action from the market. Like after the opening went down, knocked the low, aggressive bullish price action. When you see market like from here, you wait. Like it is difficult because aggressive trades most of the time it will be not a good trades. They will be not at all good trades. Three down. I wanted to do three down more down at this range. Three more. Yeah. So yeah, this is the thing. Like I would say, this is, you can say that a trade, because at this point it is going down. It has just given us this aggressive bullish candle. Yeah. And after that, at this candle as well, up this red candle, up till this red candle as well, you don't know if market will be aggressively bullish from here. Yes, you have seen this kind of bullish candle possible. At this candle, you anticipate it should hold this 15-minute time frame failure gap. It hold this 15-minute time frame failure gap. Yeah. You don't know if at this point market will spend some time, create local bottom, and then be bullish, or aggressively bullish from here. If it has to be aggressively bullish, then you have to buy. And stop loss, you put your stop loss just there. This will be aggressive trade on charts. And we have seen that I have seen that I usually do not, I prefer not to do aggressive trades. Today we have done aggressive trades, and then when it went from here to upper side aggressively, like this green candle, still we buy at this green candle, by the way, but I still have to wait. I should have to wait for this red candle, and when this candle close, now you know this is the fair value gap. It should have to keep this fair value gap open, then go up. At this point, your stop loss is defined as well this low. Sorry guys. At this point, your stop loss is defined as well, which is this low, which this green line, green below this green candle. And you're anticipating it should have to keep this fair value gap open and tends to be bullish. And what it has done, and tends to be bullish from here. And we should not deny the fact that at this range, on just on a bigger picture time frame, for the bearish case scenario, everybody is bullish, looking for all-time high, new all-time high. This range, just on a bigger picture time frame, the way market has created these highs, the way everybody is looking for all-time high, this range, it went down. The way everybody is looking for this high and all-time high, it went down. Same thing it can do at this range as well. The way market everybody is looking for all-time high, everything up, it went down. It could went down as well. So I have to watch out the market very carefully right now. Look for short. Maybe closing my position and look for short. Look at this. It seems to me that it wants to go down. So I'm closing my position, by the way. If it worked out like that, if it close, I hope so. Yeah. So look at this. The weight has gone down, man. Difficult to predict on 1 minute time frame, man. Look at this week on 5 minute time frame. Let's see if it invert this 5 minute time frame really gap. Or for bullish case scenario, it should have to hold. If it has to go down from here, this is the top, man. This should be the top. But we are waiting for close, man. It is very important to wait for close. 3 minute time frame. Yeah, this is the fairly gap. Look at this. The weight has inverted this 1 minute time frame fairly gap. Inverted this 1 minute time frame fairly gap as well. If it has to go down from here, it should have to like. I definitely not to go. If I go for a short right now, like what will be my stop loss? Definitely, this is the top. This could be a stop loss above this green candle. Could be a stop loss. Above this green candle could be a stop loss. So it has created this 1 minute FFL gap now. I'm anticipating if it has to go down, you have to keep this fail gap open. This is the fail gap. Just tab into that, which is this candle right now, which is market is forming. From here, it tends to be bearish because the way we are anticipating on bigger picture time frame, it could be based like if you go for a short right now, what levels we will be looking for on downward side to be knocked off. Maybe upper level of the daily fail gap, 50% of the range you can look for. Can I go for a short right now? This is what it is I'm thinking about. Can go for a short. My stop loss will be above this candle. I wanted to go for a short. It will be very small trade. I did not want because we have done what we have to do. I've done a good trade. I don't know this. This system, this PC is slow, man. We'll go for two contract only. We'll be going for two contract only. This wait. I hope you guys can hear me. Like I hope everything is fine. Hello. We'll go for two contract only. This is this weekly high as well in play. If it has to go down from here, if this is the top on charts, if this is the top, this is the fairly gap, this is the fairly gap. From here, it should have to tend to be very bearish. If it has to go down, but we don't know. The reason we are anticipating that it could be going down from here, same thing I've just explained to you. Javed has created those highs, then go down. Same kind of price action we can anticipate at this range as well. Then a major pullback to downside. There is no denying about that. value will have the range as well. So yeah, this is already a level of resistance, very high. You can anticipate a local top at this range. There is no denying about that. Just go from there. The value high is there. If you go from here, value area high is there. Go from here. Just watching the market on bigger picture time frame, it gives us a edge that anything can happen. Like if it really, if this is a top, we don't know. If this is a top, I was like, it should have to just tab onto this 1 minute time frame fairly gap, then go down aggressively. It did not went down, trying to go to the upside from here, which is what it tells us that it this may not be the top. And overall, we are I'm anticipating time frame are top at this range. Therefore, we need more information from charts. This is what it is. We are anticipating for bearish case scenario a top on at this range. Sorry, sorry guys. We are anticipating a top at this range. Just considering these scenarios, and for bearish to go down from here toward low levels. It is because overall we're bullish. Tap into this forward and fairly gap as well. Going toward upside. Inversion of this fairly gap we will be knocking all of those highs as well toward upside. This is also a possibility, we cannot deny about that. So I'm not confident on this high now. This high could be knocked. If this high could be knocked off, we will see if market continue to be bullish, because this has been a bullish price action. We'll see if market continue to be bullish because this has been a bullish price action toward upside, or we will see if, because for bearish case scenario, this is 1 hour time fairly gap and value high as well. A show rejection from this range, try to come down as well. This is the simple two possibilities I would be watching for on charts. So we buy at this range, yeah. It's a very small trade, and we was just looking for these highs. When we bought at this point, I was just looking for those highs and this level. We take most of our profit at this range and then close when it was going down. I think it was a good trade. I did not want to check money. I did not want to check money, man. So yeah, as we are not confident on this high, we bounce from 5 minute time frame fairly gap. This is 1 minute time frame fairly gap. I would anticipate market hold this area, try to knock this high, that high, and further continuation toward upside. This is what it is I'm looking for on just 1 minute time frame chart. Spicy, man. Spicy. So look at this. Not easy trading environment. So this anticipation goes wrong. This level gap I was looking for should hold, then go up. But still, I'm not confident on these two highs, and we're still bullish. We should not deny this. It is difficult to go for a short right now. It is difficult to go for a short for today in this the level we're trading right now at, right. That's why, because those levels are already a level of spots. But smart money knew everybody's bullish. That's why they will send the price toward low levels. Look at this on 1 minute, 1 hour time frame. Do you think on 1 hour time frame next this hour market will try to knock the previous 1 hour time frame high? I don't think so. Maybe unlikely. Maybe unlikely. I think so. Maybe possible. I'm not saying that, it is unlikely to me. So we cannot deny that this could be the top for bearish case scenario. If it has to go down from here, it should have to aggressively go down from here. Should not have to be slow down, choppy. Then this kind of price action I do not want to see. Slow down because overall bullish. We may be bullish, continue to be bullish. Look at this, man. So if it has to go down, I want to see this failure gap. It should have to kept this open, and then yeah, chance to be going down. This low has been knocked, so it has created this 1 minute time frame fairly gap as well. 50% of this 5 minute time frame fairly gap as well. Should have to kept this. This fairly gap definitely should have to open. If you are really confident that market will be really going down from here toward the low levels, my stop loss will be initial stop loss will be above this high now, and from this range we will be looking for tends to be bearish from the market. It will be great if market did not even go to this Did not even tap this 50% of the range as well from here going down. Yeah, so far it is doing good. So now my stop loss will be above this. My stop loss will be above here. Here. I'm not doing any kind of trade, but my stop loss will be above here now. The way it has this close this candle. Technically speaking, it should be there in here above this candle because tapped into this 1 minute time frame fairly gap. But you can give a little bit of chance. To go for a short in here, you should have to be break even right now. Like you enter in here, first stop loss was there. Now you are break even, and you're looking for low levels. Looking for this low, this fairly, I mean version of this fairly gap to this green line, and we can go all the way to 50% of this daily fairly gap as well, which is possible. Look at this, it is going down. This chart is very slow. I don't know. So look at this. This is great, but we're not trading anything. We're not jumping for any kind of trade. So now my stop loss is above this high now. So it should have to invert this 1 minute time frame fairly gap. Need knock this low because these levels are the level of spots. This level, this 15-minute time fairly gap, this line is a 4-hour time fairly gap. This is a daily fairly gap high. To anticipate from here, from the market to be bearish, like you need guts to trade this kind of environment. You can, if you're really confident that it will be bearish. If you know order flow, if you know smart money, I don't know order flow right now. I don't know smart money. I don't know open interest. I don't know. So that's why for me there's no trade, no short for me. But this is the thing. At this point, we was already anticipating a top, and the way 1 hour time frame close, this is already a sign that market may not be bullish for this 1 hour time frame. If we go for 30-minute time frame, 30-minute time frame, market may not be aggressively bullish. On 15-minute time frame, market may not go above the previous 15-minute time frame candle high. So we knew that. So this is how it has done. Yeah, too much time. It is taking too much time. It is taking too much time. So it has gone further to down 108,600. So it could go to 108K from here. Oh my goodness, this is taking too much time. It has gone further to down, sir. 108,500. Look at this. Uh, my chart is not loading up. This piece is quite slow. I need to close some of the apps. Yeah, can't do anything, man. It is taking too much time. Look at this. The thing is, this. It is difficult to get into short at this point because of the levels we are trading at right now. At any point, possible that market could be bullish going toward upper side because these levels are the level of spots, but you could go for a short as well. Technically speaking, I would say that today is not at all an ideal trading day. If you go for a quick scalp, we have done just one trade. I don't think so I will do any trade today's session. I don't think so. I'm anticipating that it will be more of like jagging, not a clear bullish price action or not a clear bearish price action for the market will be shown today. I do think so. Market will remain more of a like jagging, 500 upward side dollar move, 500 downward side dollar move, because we have shown rejection from this range, which is the thing we was already anticipating from. We can could be more of like going down for these lows, 50% of the range, because everyone is bullish looking for higher levels, and they will send the price toward lower levels from here. So look at this, it is going down from here. This point we was not sure which way market could go from here. I was just about to go for a short at this range, but we wait. Went up a side. Was bullish at this range. We was bullish at this range. When it was trading at this range, I was like, you can go for a short. Stop loss just at this range. When it created this high, I was like, you should keep your stop loss there now. Looking for these lows, inversion of this fairly gap, this low. Now then we put your stop loss in here. Your stop loss should be there now. You should have to take most of your profit at this range. Well, I would say you should close your position right now. From here, 108,800 to 108,500, $3,300 move, which is it's enough, I think so. Because this is a level on a bigger picture time frame. This is a 4 hour time frame fairly gap and the daily fairly gap high as well. So this range we can anticipate market could hold this level and then try to be bullish toward upper side. This is how it is. Yeah, possible. Who knows? Like, could we continue to go because this has been quite bearish price action. Like, because at this point we was aggressively bullish, it did not went up. Now we're bearish. I'm looking for 50% of the daily fair value gap to be knocked off right now for bearish case scenario. But as we're trading at upper level of daily fair value gap, 4 hour fair value gap, we could anticipate a bounce as well, maybe sideways as well. This is what it is more for like I am anticipating today, more of like sideways price action from charts. Let's see how it goes. Like, we don't know which way it could go from here, but we are just watching and observing the charts, trying to understand certain levels, trying to guess which way market could go from here. We don't know. As we have seen aggressive downward price action from the market from this range, where it invert this 5 minute time prevailing gap as well. So this is yeah, this is very slow. My piece is very slow, man. So it was this 15-minute time frame fairly gap. So in 15-minute time frame, we have done really nothing. On 5-minute time frame, well, this is the 5-minute time frame fairly gap. This is also 5-minute time fairly gap. Let's see on this 1-minute time frame, market created this fair value gap and kept this open and then go down. technically speaking, if you're new to the trading, so you guys, we're watching and observing the charts right now. Let me finish this lunch and then I'll keep an eye on charts. I'm anticipating this for 1 minute time frame fail gap, not to go above this high. From here going down to the 50% of this daily fair value gap. The reason is we have seen aggressive price action from the market over downward side inward this 5 minute time frame fair value gap as well. Create top the level from the level, which is what we was anticipating. And the reason other possibilities it could be bullish from here toward upper side because this is the 4 hour time frame fair value gap high, daily fair value gap high as well. Market try to be bullish as well toward upper side. So this is what it is we are anticipating. Let me quickly finish this lunch and then we'll be heading to something else. We will see the charts. I'm keeping around charts and I'll get back to you. So yeah, we're finished with the lunch. Yeah, we're back. Yeah, I'm back, guys. This is not an ideal trading. Just go to 5 minute time frame. I'll tell you, this is not at all an ideal trading environment. 15 minute time frame. You see after the opening 9:30 in here. You seen a clean price action from the market toward upper side or maybe toward down? So, okay, for example, we have went down. A clean price action toward downward side. Up till now, have you seen that? No. So this close may create 15 minute time frame fairly gap in here. Yeah. So for bearish case scenario, we will try to understand. There should be lows on downward side that could be the reason for the market to be bearish. And There should be lows on the chart. That could be the reason for the market to be bearish. Yeah, and the other thing is, if it create 15-minute time frame fairly gap in here, I would anticipate it should have to capture this fairly gap open and then try to be down from here. We have reasons for the market to be going down, which is these lows possible, 50% of the range possible. But we have to very well known of the fact that overall we are bullish. This is daily fairly gap we're trading at. Upward level for our time fairly gap, upward level. We could be bullish from this range. We don't need to come down all the way toward low levels. So it is not quite obvious that it will be bearish. It is not quite obvious. And it is not quite obvious it will be bullish. So that's why we don't know which way it could go from here. So that's why sit still, watch, observe. I'm anticipating 50% of the daily fairly gap right now from here. But staying in, because this is the daily upward level, remaining sideways at this range, doing choppy price action at this range, we could be more of a like, could go anywhere. Could be after that, could go up, could be going down as well toward low levels. This is how it is. Watching and observing the charts right now. So yeah, this is the fairly gap it has created. Let's see if market create local top then go down from here or just go down like that. I'm anticipating 108k from here approximately. We're trading at 108 approximately 500. So for example, if I wanted to go for a short in here, what will be my stop loss? My stop loss is not defined yet, and I am not confident on all of those highs as well. So for me, there is no ideal trade. This is not obvious trade. Could be going down from here. We don't know. It is not always a market create local top and local bottom, then be bullish, then be bearish. Sometimes it has to go up like that. Sometimes it has to go like that. Maybe it has to go the way it is going down like that. Possible. We cannot deny this. It could go to a downside like that. Who knows? Who knows how it will do, how it will perform. So look at this. Are you? How would you feel like at this point? We was anticipating that it should have to go to 50% of the range. Low level 108k from here. We was anticipating. Yep, this was the fairly gap. I was like, should have to go down. Could go down like that. Could create low cutoff then go down. I was like telling you, I'm not at all confident on all of those highs as well. And we're trading up for level or daily gap as well. From this trading market could be bullish as well. I'm not feeling confident if I go for a short in here and put my stop loss above those highs. Those highs could be knocked off. Look at this. Market has went up from there. So I would say that I already feel that today is not going to be an ideal trading environment day. I think so. It will be going up few $100, 200, $300 move. It will be going down 200, $300 move. A big move on either way, either direction may not possible from charts. This is what it is. I'm watching and observing. We will finish this live stream at 4 o'clock. Yep, 4 o'clock. And then we'll be heading out to some shopping to buy something for my food. This is annoying, by the way. This is quite annoying. With alerts. I wanted to delete them for now. Disturbance. Creating disturbance, man. 5 minute time frame, how it is performing. Just this 5 minute time frame gap. This is the we have previously. 15 minute time frame. We have created this 15. Let me do this one now. We have created this 15 minute time frame gap. Market will do like this, man. It will do like this. Already anticipating. That's why no trade will be taken. No trade. This is 15-minute time frame fairly gap I have highlighted. So nothing on a chart in there really to highlight right now. Yeah. We don't know if this is the top. The other thing is we don't know if this is the top or not. Maybe it is possible. Sorry guys, I think I should have done this live stream. I quickly wanted to do a recap and then further how we are anticipating the market further, how it could perform from this week, maybe tomorrow as well. And this is very this is going to be very boring. I'm telling you right now. And so far it is very boring and we'll see how it goes on top. So right now, as I was just explaining to you guys, these kind of environments, the level we're trading at, everybody is bullish. Everybody is looking for the market to new all-time high. This week we have no news on charts, and smart money knew everybody is bullish. Smart money knew everybody is looking for higher levels on charts, new all-time high, one of 20k, one of 50k, and smart money knew that, and they will send the price toward low levels. As we have no news to this week, we may not see a much volatility on our charts, and we are trading at higher levels right now. Like if you watch out on just on here, this is already a level of more of like a resistance we are trading at. So we have been going toward upper side from here. This range we can anticipate more of like sideways or choppy price action from the market for this week, maybe couple of weeks as well. Then we may roll down toward low levels. This is what it is. We're watching and observing on charts. May played out possible uh, on this week, this whole week. This is what it is like. I'm anticipating right now. More of like leaning bearish, or because this is a quite big range we're trading inside right now. If you watch out from this range, if charts load up, if we're from this range all the way to this range, this is a quite big range we're trading at. In that range, we can't stay inside this range for this whole week. There is not no denying about that. We could stay inside this range for a whole week, which is possible. We cannot deny about that. And yeah, for bullish case scenario, you definitely will be looking for upper level, all-time high, or bearish case scenario, made create local top, and then could be going down from here. So these are the things I'm watching and observing from charts, anticipating or expecting from charts that may played out on certain levels, on certain price action, and this is how it is. I am watching and observing the charts right now. So let's see which way market could go from there, how it will perform. We don't know. We're just watching and observing the charts. This is more of like a bigger picture time frame I have just explained to you that may play it out on certain scenarios. On shorter term time frame, 5 minute, 15, like quick trades, scalp trades, day trades. I don't think so. Right now, today was I don't think so. Today was idle trading day. I was already anticipating that it may happen, and we have seen that as well. After the opening, it has done nothing. It remained inside this 109K to 108 500K. Just five. It's hovering inside $500 move. So these kind of days are difficult to predict, very difficult to trade because you don't know which way market could go, and then you're looking for higher levels. It is not going up. You got frustrated. You do aggressive trades. You do revenge trades. This is what I always used to do. This always use these kind of days. I was always get struggle on, like, so that's how it is. And yeah, today as well